It's 50 past the hour. Time for your winter weather update. Plenty going on in the Midwest and back along the Front Range.
And Tom, you know, we have snow in the plains, and I just saw an email. What is this, 13 inches of snow southwest of Bismarck?
Yeah, this is a pretty energetic system, and I wouldn't be surprised that there's some tremendous snowfall rates already with the system, probably on the order of 1 to 2 inches an hour. And by the way, as we get into Chicago later tonight, we might even see a little bit of thunder snow. Stay tuned for that. So let's take a quick look at our winter watch graphic here. Again, the main swath of snow cutting across this area very rapidly today and tonight with this developing system. I tend to like to look at my water vapor imagery to see how things are developing in time. And this is not a system that is already fully developed. It's energizing right now, and subtle little changes in this system will have changes in the track and the subsequent snowfall. So we have to watch this carefully. Again, most of the energy sliding down here in the form of a wind maximum called a jet streak, going to cut across this area here, and that produces heavy snow just to the north of it when we read our textbooks on this type of system. Looking a little more closely here, we're already seeing enhancement in our water vapor imagery across this area. That's what's going to be moving towards Chicago later in the day. We're going to look at our current radar, and again, here's where the snow is. We'll go to our computer model now off of this radar that suggests how this will move forward in time. This is our RPM computer model, and we'll watch the movement of the snowfall. Chicago into the latter part of the afternoon and evening, mix of rain and snow, 33 degrees during the rush hour, but look what happens first half of the night. That's where you can pick up your thunder snow. Detroit by Friday morning, rush hour could be pretty difficult. Then this moves over into upstate New York during the day Friday. By the way, Buffalo, rush hour on Friday, some strong winds in behind this. I-90 could be rough travel. And then off to the east as we get into Saturday. We look at our total snowfall for the system, as much as 5 to 8 inches here in Chicago, 4 to 6 in Detroit. And then as we move over into the northeast, 1 to 3 in western New York here Friday afternoon, the Adirondacks 5 to 8. This is going to be an interesting system. We haven't had much in the way of winter weather, mild weather so far, Jen, but this is a nice punch for us right now.
Tom, exactly, but that's why we're calling this winter gone mild. We have so many pictures that we love to share with you. Coming up next on Your Weather Today, we're talking snow around the Great Lakes.
Boy, it's going to be coming down for you in bucketfuls in places like Grand Rapids. Snow develops tonight, continues through tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning's rush is going to be very dicey for you. Total accumulation 4 to 6 inches. More to come at the top of the hour.
A winter storm watch is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 30 degrees under cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, mostly cloudy, high 41. Winds south-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, periods of snow, low 32. Winds north-northeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. 2 to 4 inches of snow expected. On Friday, snow, high 35. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Our week ahead.